Liza.
Acknowledging our DepEd officials who are not here with us today. Our officer in charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Ms. Laida M. Lagar Mascareñas Sese. Our Chief of Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. Cyril Cicerador. To our Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Roberto A. Maglupay Jr. To our school principal, Mr. Harry D. Castorno. To our senior high school coordinator, Ms. Eliza A. Cirador. To our guests of honor. And to the Santa Monica High School faculty and staff, alumni, parents and guardians, and to my fellow graduating students, good day. Before anything else, I'd like to share a verse that has been embedded within me throughout this school year. It is found in 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 12, and I quote, "Now, we see things imperfectly, like puzzling reflections in a mirror, but then we will see everything with perfect clarity. All that I know now is partial and incomplete, but then I will know everything completely, just as God now knows me completely." During times of doubt, a friend of mine shared this verse with me. At the time, it was pretty confusing, but she simply said, "Malalaman mo rin ang meaning yan kapag na-conquer mo na yung struggles mo ngayon." Looking back, I realized how accurate her words were and how the verse has impacted me. This verse has been my guiding light, allowing me to continue moving forward. We've all faced problems, doubts, and periods of confusion in our personal and academic lives. But even if it may feel like the world is turning its back on us, know that God still reaches out, often through the people around us. It could be a family member, a friend, a teacher, or even a stranger we pass by every day. And what I know for sure is that we are not alone. Now, for the entire 2 years we spent in Santa Monica High School, Senior High School, I am confident that there are many things we have all endured, sacrificed for, cried over, and accomplished. And today, as we gather in this stadium to celebrate our achievements, let's look ahead and see that the pieces of our accomplishments, not to mention the hurdles we've overcome, are beginning to fit together to make a more meaningful image. I also know that the roads we tread will each be unique, bringing us to different places. And despite the fact that this event marks the end of an era for us high school students, I hope that our takeaways from Santa Monica High School and the courage we've collected will be with us forever, to help us rise above every challenge, to survive and to thrive. Lastly, let's keep in mind that there will be times when things don't go our way. Nevertheless, let us be reminded that these things are inevitable, yet crucial for our progress towards success. To our loving parents, honored visitors, and the entire Santa Monica High School community, I present to you those who have given their all for this memorable day. On behalf of the graduating class of 2024, it is my pleasure to formally welcome all of you to the 5th commencement exercises of Santa Monica High School, Senior High School, school year 2023 to 2024. Once again, welcome and good afternoon.
Thank Marjorie B. Abrina for the warm and inspiring welcoming remarks. At this juncture,
Supervisor, Mr. Roberto A. Maglupay Jr.
Good afternoon. Based on the affirmation of your school head, Mr. Harry D. Castardo of Santa Monica High School, and by the request of Ms. Liza Cirador, Master Teacher 2, in charge of the Senior High School Program, Grade 12, that you have satisfactorily completed and fulfilled all the needed requirements for graduation for Senior High School Program under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, Republic of the Philippines. By the virtue of the power vested by the Secretary of the Department of Education, Honorable Zara Zay Duterte, Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, to the Schools Division Superintendent, of Puerto Princesa City, Madam Laila Endabar Mascareñas, Cese, whom I humbly represent, I hereby confirm your graduation this 31st day of May 2024 for the school year 2023-2024 here in Congressman Edward Habidor Coliseum, City of Puerto Princesa. As a proof of your graduation, I hereby award to you your high school diploma. I congratulate you all. God bless the graduates of Santa Monica High School, Batch 2024.
You may now take your seats. The long wait is finance. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Officer in Charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, to be represented by Roberto A. Maglupay Jr., Public Schools District Supervisor, to be assisted by our Principal, Mr. Harry D. Castardo, and Senior High School Coordinator, Ms. Liza A. Sirador, for the distribution of diplomas.
Yan. Pag na nakatayo na sila doon.
May we request the
Kasi may medal
advisors
nila.
of each strength to
Agad nila may
come on
medal
stage
sila.
for the class roll call. Thank
Babasahin na
you.
lang kung with honor sila. Kunyari, John Christopher na.
Ay,
With
kinakabit
honor.
na, kinakabit na.
Nakakabit na agad.
Ay, hindi na natin pupuntahan doon.
Hindi na.
Ang ano pa.
Kukunan lang natin yung pagtanggap niya ng diploma.
May I have the honor to present to you the graduates of Accountancy, Business, and Management.
Julie Boy M., Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Gregorio Jetly Kurt P., Conduct Awardee. Padrones Bethel Christian B., Work Immersion Awardee. Palay Mac John Edgar V. Abrea Maria Francisca D. Work Immersion Awardee.
Bakit ako?
Alvarez Jessica F. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Kaabas Donita Rose H. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Castro Angel Grace P. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee. Stelo RVZ. Work Immersion Awardee. Dumlao Kristen Ashley Y. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Habal Divine Grace B. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Ilarde Krista Alea T. with high honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Lamitar Charmaine M. with honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Liedo Chescalin T. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Mauricio Christian Shara B. with high honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Mercader J.Ann M. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Navalta Yurime M. with honors. Conduct Awardee. Ortiz Anna Jean M. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee. Padon Mira Jane G. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Awardee.
Rivero Azur G with honors. Work Immersion Awardee, Conduct Suway Jerez Ben Walid R. Adrero Colin Kim F. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Bendanol Hari A. Work Immersion Awardee. Bia Justin B. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Kamaong Rafael with honors. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Fabregas Jerison R. Work Immersion Awardee. Fabregas Joseph J.R. Work Immersion Awardee. Favela Jefferson D. with honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Jimenez L. Justin C. with honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Garcia Christopher O. Laab Nakshe D. with honors. Work Immersion Gold Medal Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Mahilong Marky M. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Nakasi John Christopher B. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Parange Vince Angel P. with honors. Work Immersion Awardee and Conduct Awardee. Pasilaban Holyanito III B.
Kuya! Kuya!
Pe John Rig D. with honors.